So, a very good afternoon to all the enthusiastic Vivites who are watching me live on the Facebook called as Ask the Doctor series. Well, my dear friends, as you all know that this is Friday and I'm back again with iSlim Flat Tummies Bar today. Well, as you all know that, please start shooting me your questions right now. Once I finish a short topic on iSlim Bar, I'll be able to take up your questions. Thank you so much for your wholehearted participation as well. Well, my dear friends, the first and the foremost thing I would like to tell you is, everybody has a question that when will the iSlim Bar return back to the stocks? Well, by October first week, we should be having enough stock for shipping it across India. So at least by that time, we will be able to give you the products iSlim Bar. So I hope you understood my point. So let us start today's session. Well, as you all know that iSlim Flat Tummies Bar is a holistic weight management support bar, my dear friends. It's a holistic weight management support bar. See, normally when you look into the packaging of iSlim Flat Tummies Bar, there are around 28 bars which are present in the box with 4 flavors. The 4 flavors being chocolate, mango, vanilla and orange. Well, my dear friends, one important question that most of us do ask is, the flavors are only the part which is different, whereas the product remains the same. The formulation remains the same, but only the flavors are different. And even the flavors or the colors that we are using in the product, they are also natural. They are not synthetic. They are 100% organic and natural, my dear friends. I hope my point is clear to you. So, going ahead, there are 5 important things that everyone should know in iSlim Flat Tummies Bar. See, the first thing is, the bar is designed as a partial meal replacement bar. It is not a complete meal replacement bar. It is actually a partial meal replacement bar, which means that you need to skip one meal in a day and you need to consume this bar. So because the calorie values of the bar is designed based on this. The second thing is, it contains a holistic combination of the synergistic actives as well. So weight management is the third thing which everybody needs to know. Well, weight management indicates 3 important things. One is increasing the weight, second is managing the weight or controlling the weight, the third thing is reducing the weight. So this is how the 3 important things can be found out. So one is increasing the weight, managing the weight and reducing the weight. So all these 3 encompasses the weight management process. So not only this, it is a fiber rich bar. Why I am telling you this is, unlike the other bars which are available in the market, iSlim Flat Tummies Bar is a fiber rich bar. Whereas other bars which are available in the market, they are mostly protein rich bar. So this is a fiber rich bar. And this is 100% natural based as well, which means that it doesn't have any kind of synthetic preservatives or colorants or additives or even sweeteners for that matter. So it doesn't contain even the sugar. So it is a sugar free bar as well. So this is how these 5 points are very important so far as the understanding of the iSlim Flat Tummies Bar is concerned and the promotion of the iSlim Flat Tummies Bar is concerned as well. So not only this, my dear friends. So as I talk about weight management for that matter, it is nothing but overweight and obesity, as people normally call this as. This both overweight and obesity are basically, they are based on the concept of BMI, which is nothing but the body mass index. So it all depends on the body mass index. So whenever the body mass index is more than 25 to 30, we call this as overweight. Whenever the body mass index is more than 30, we call this as obesity. Now there are different grades of obesity which have been given by the World Health Organization, like grade 1 obesity, grade 2 obesity and grade 3 obesity based on the different BMIs. Well, overweight and obesity, again, they are not simple diseases. They are actually called as metabolic disorders. They are not simple diseases, they are metabolic disorders, where it is a combination of various diseases. The first and the foremost disease which is categorized under the metabolic disorder, under the overweight and obesity, is nothing but your diabetes. That is why there is always a link between diabetes and obesity. So both of them are 2 faces of a coin. So once the person is diabetic, he or she might be obese, or whenever the person is obese, he or she might be diabetic for that matter. So, or become diabetic in future. Why I am telling you this point is, both diabetes and obesity are 2 faces of a coin. Both of them are categorized under the metabolic disorders. See, obesity does not mean that the person is looking obese. This is where the whole importance of obesity comes in. Looking obese is something else, feeling obese is something else. See, looking obese is one part of it, but the symptoms of obesity can also be present in a lean person. This is very important. That is the reason why iSlim flat tummy bar should not be confined to only obese individuals. It can be given to a lean individual as well. I hope my point is clear to you. So, diabetes is one part of it. Secondly, the cardiovascular diseases, otherwise the heart diseases, that also plays a very important role so far as the obesity is concerned, because the reason for that is obesity. Decrease in immunity. See, nowadays in the corona era, the corona zamana as I call, decrease in immunity is actually seen across the world. Immune boosting supplements are actually promoted for increasing the increasing the immunity parameters. See, decrease in immunity can happen because of obesity conditions as well. Increased risk of cancer is also seen, especially the intestinal cancers, which are actually more prevalent in India. Osteoarthritis, very, very dangerous. The reason being obesity. High blood cholesterol. See, normally what happens, the triglycerides and the LDL levels keep on increasing in the blood, because of which the high cholesterol levels are seen. Renal failure or the kidney issues can also be seen a lot. Asthma or the lung issues can also be seen. Sleep apnea, which is nothing but the snoring issues, which are getting more day by day. Psychological and emotional effects, they are also traced back to obesity sometimes. Gouty arthritis, whenever the uric acid conditions increases inside the body, that can result in gouty arthritis. Low back pain is one issue that is normally seen. Pregnancy related issues is one thing that is actually seen in the people. Liver disease, fatty liver disease, one of the major conditions which is haunting India today. Grade 1 fatty liver, grade 2 fatty liver, so on and so forth. The next thing is the liver disease. That's what, the stroke as well. So the paralysis stroke. See, people think that paralysis stroke can happen because of any other reason, but I would like to tell you, my dear friends, stroke, when you trace back the history of paralysis stroke, normally these days the doctors are now suggesting the history, tracing back the history to obesity and overweight. Because of the increase in the level of bad fat, this particular overweight and obesity, the paralysis stroke can happen. I hope my point is clear to you. So these are only one part of the list I am trying to tell you. Why I am suggesting iSlim flat tummy bar for weight management is not only to control the weight, my dear friends. Whatever the issues I told you right now, obesity might be the root cause, but if you don't control that, all these issues can happen in the future. Starting from your diabetes till your fatty liver. All these things can be controlled by the usage of iSlim flat tummy bar, not only managing the weight. I hope my point is clear to everybody. That is how a wellness product has to be promoted in the market. A wellness product is always a holistic health supplement, which means that it is a complete health supplement. I hope my point is clear. It is a complete health supplement which acts from the head till the toe. So that is how the wellness products are actually positioned in the market. So going ahead, friends, as you all know that iSlim flat tummy bar contains the patented herbal ingredients, which we call this as a synergistic botanical ingredients, which mainly includes three ingredients in it. The first is the Salacia reticulata, which is an anti-diabetic in nature. Second is Coleus forscoli, which is a weight reducing substance. The third is sesame seeds, which is also controlling cholesterol levels. This is how the synergistic composition of iSlim flat tummy bar is made. So going ahead, iSlim also contains wonderful fibers, which are natural fibers. Okay, so as I told you, unlike other protein bars which are available in the market, iSlim flat tummies mainly contains fibers. These fibers are very important for the detoxification to happen inside the body. So whenever the body is detoxified by the use of fibers, so automatically the weight management process can go on very easily. There are two important fibers which are used in the product. One is the oats fibers, the second is the ragi fibers. Say ragi, for that matter, is a wonderful ingredient of which the fiber content is taken in our product. So I'll let you know what exactly ragi is useful in case of weight management. Ragi in fact is called as the field millets or the finger millets. So this is a very good source of amino acid methionine. It has high amounts of fibers, natural fibers. that actually keeps your stomach full. We call this process as satiety. Satiety is a feeling of fullness of the stomach. So this particular thing will keep your stomach full so that the appetite suppression can happen. So because of which the fullness of the stomach can also happen, my dear friends. So along with this, it also contains a wonderful element called as tryptophan, which helps you lose weight. Tryptophan also reduces the appetite and thus keeps you hunger free. That is what it is. Ragi also contains rich source of fibers, helps in lowering the cholesterol levels. So ragi is best used for the weight control, diabetes, and gives cooling effect on the body. This is how this ragi is helping out, my dear friends. In fact, when you look into the nutrition part of ragi, it is very good with phosphorus, high fiber content, magnesium, vitamin B1, calcium, zinc, iron, folate, riboflavin, protein, vitamin B3, potassium, and vitamin A. So this is how ragi is actually made up of. There are several benefits of this wonderful cereal called as ragi. It is good source of vitamin B1. High protein content is also there along with high fiber content. This is how this is very important. It is a natural weight losing agent. It prevents your skin from aging. It has high loads of calcium. It increases the production of mother's milk also, especially when the lactating ladies are taking it. It prevents the diabetes. It is good for digestion. It prevents colon cancer as well. So not only this, it contains various amino acids like lysine, which helps in skin aging, reversing of the skin aging. It is good for healthy bones and joints. It is also good for the blood sugar levels, controlling the blood sugar levels and increasing the hemoglobin levels, especially in anemic patients. This is one of the important things that I wanted to tell you. Not only this, the tryptophan which is present in ragi is very important for the management of anxiety, depression, and insomnia. This is how ragi actually helps us. So this is how ragi is a very good source of protein. It reduces the anemia levels as well, and it also is good for weight management processes. Why I am telling you weight management processes, as I told you in the beginning, my dear friends, weight management encompasses three important things: either to increase the weight, to manage the weight, or to reduce the weight. This is how the weight management is playing a role inside the body. I hope my point is clarified to everybody. So ragi is a wonderful cereal for these three processes which can happen in the ice slim bar. I hope my point is clear. So going ahead, well, my dear friends, not only this is also having very good protein concentrates like soy and whey protein. It also contains wonderful ashwagandha and kapikachu, which are nothing but the botanical ingredients that we have in the product as well, which helps in reducing the stress. So even with a person with diabetes, you can definitely give ice slim flat tummies bar, because as I told you, diabetes and obesity are two faces of a coin. High blood pressure and low blood pressure also, this can be given safely. In pregnancy conditions also, this can be given up to 6 months of pregnancy. Lactation, that is during the mother's breastfeeding time, the first month after the childbirth, it should not be used. From second month onwards, it can be safely used. Even in case of thyroid issues, this can be used safely. Heart related issues also, ice slim bar can be given safely. For skin related issues also, ice slim can be given safely. So for best results, I would suggest you to consume ice slim flat tummies bar between 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. by having an optional dinner at 6 p.m. This is how ice slim flat tummies bar will help you in pushing the bad fat out and retaining the good fat inside. That is why we call the ice slim bar as good fat in and bad fat out. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So thank you so much, Vivites, for listening to me again. Well, this is a question answer time. So I have some of the questions from the last week, and you can also pose us the questions on the link which is appearing below the chat box as well, by directly clicking onto the link and posing us the questions. So let me take up some of the questions that I've got today on the live as well as the last time. The first question is by Miss Ankita. I want to know about the carbohydrate protein fat ratio per serving. Miss Ankita, what you can do is you can send us a mail at doctor@indusviva.com. So we will be sending you the complete nutrition list of this product. I hope my point is clear to you. You can send us a mail, we can send you the list. So because it is a very, the whole nutrition table is a bit high, so I will not be able to tell it right now. So the next question is by Ms. Shifa. What is the role of ashwagandha as an ingredient in ice slim? Normally ashwagandha, which is Withenia somnifera, we are using the water extract of this root. The most important thing about this is to reduce the stress and anxiety levels during the weight management process. Whenever the weight management process happens in the body, the stress creeps up. In order to counteract the stress, we normally use this. I hope my point is clear to you. So the next question is by Mr. Ganesh Sharma. How does it work on diabetes? Mr. Ganesh Sharma, if you are watching this, normally diabetes and obesity are two faces of a coin. Why I told you this point is, when you look into the nutrition, the ingredient composition of iSlim, we have Salacia reticulata or Ekanayakam. We have that in iCoffee, we have that in iSlim bar also. Why we have used it in iSlim bar is because people with diabetes can have obesity. People with obesity can have diabetes also. As I told you, obesity is not a single disease. It is a disorder. That is the reason why diabetes is the first obesity disorder. Anybody can have diabetes. Anybody can have obesity. But these two are two faces of a coin. That is the reason why iSlim bar can be given in case of obesity. It has the Salacia reticulata inside this. It definitely works on cutting down the sugar levels. So the next set of questions that I have, Mr. Jitin Abraham, how does iSlim effective for PCOD people? So normally, if the PCOD person is having heavy weight, then you can suggest iSlim flat tummies bar. Otherwise, not required. Then you can give iPulse and iCoffee in this condition. I hope my point is clear. If the person is having overweight, then you can suggest iSlim bar in a PCOD case. So the next question is by Mr. Anand Kumar. Is iSlim beneficial for reducing or managing weight, or it can be used for increasing the weight also? Mr. Anand Kumar, if you are watching this, as I told you, iSlim is beneficial for three things. Increasing the weight. Suppose if you want to increase the weight, you have to consume iSlim bar followed by have a protein and carbohydrate rich food. If you want to manage the weight, you have to diet. If you want to cut down the weight also, you need to diet. Diet in the sense, you have to skip the meal, then you should consume iSlim flat tummies bar. If you want to have a look at the diet chart, please log into our website. Then you can download the vegetarian and non-vegetarian diet charts. So the next question is by Ms. Shraddha. If you stop iSlim flat tummies bar, can we increase the weight again? See, once you stop the iSlim flat tummies bar, please do follow the diet chart and exercise properly. Then automatically the weight gain will not happen. So the next question is by Mr. Vinay Kumar Dasari. Vinay Kumar Dasari. A person's weight whose weight is 120 kgs and now he is 43 kgs. How will he recommend iSlim bar? See, probably I don't know what is the history here from 120 to 43, probably because of some surgery. I don't know what exactly it is. But still, definitely I would suggest, since he is 43 right now, you have to give him one iSlim bar followed by protein and carbohydrate rich diet. He should not do any kind of dieting. Then definitely the weight is going to optimize. So the next question is by Mr. Vinay. Weight increased after stopping iSlim. What is the reason? The reason might be one thing, protein and carbohydrate rich food. Second thing, increase of sugar levels, especially use of sugar in the diet. The third thing, lack of exercise. Please control on the sugar, control on the protein and carbohydrate diet. Exercise a bit, automatically the weight will be optimized. I hope, Mr. Vinay, you've got the answer. So the next question is by Mr. Deep Sharma. I gave iSlim with iCoffee Black to a lady who is 80 kgs, but after 2 months, the result is not there. What can I do? Please follow this rule. iCoffee Black, 1 sachet in the afternoon, 1 sachet in the night. Don't give it in the mornings. 1 sachet afternoon, 1 sachet night, half an hour before lunch, half an hour before dinner. Stop it in the morning, iCoffee. iSlim bar, please continue it in the night between 7 to 9 p.m. This will give the results. So the next question is by Mr. Sadiq Sheikh. Can iSlim be used more than 3 months continuously? Yes, you can use it up to 6 months continuously without any problems. The next question is by Mr. Zubair Syed. Can iSlim decrease bad cholesterol and I can consume for LVH? Will it be helpful with iPulse? Absolutely yes. You have to use it along with a combination of iPulse. iPulse will be 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food. iSlim 1 in the evening between 7 to 9 p.m. by having an optional dinner at 6 p.m. This will definitely help out. So the next question, the last question of the day that I am taking is from Mr. Natarajan. I gave iSlim for a 40-year-old female for obesity. There is no weight loss seen. What could be the reason? As I told you, Mr. Natarajan, always have a control on protein and fat as well as carbohydrate rich diet. A bit of exercise, at least half an hour of walking has to be done on a daily basis. 3.5 to 4 liters of warm water has to be consumed on a daily basis. This will definitely help in cutting down the weight. Please do follow the diet charts which are available on our website, iSlim website. Both veg and the non-veg diet charts are available, so you can definitely get benefit out of that. So dear viewers, you might have more questions. Please, there is a link which is available below in the chat box. Please click the link and send your questions. My team will be able to answer your questions. Thank you so much, viewers, for your patient watching. We really appreciate your wholehearted participation in this Facebook Live series. Thank you so much. This is Dr. Balu Kolar signing off from the desk. Have a nice day ahead.